And just as soon as I hit the record button, a helicopter. Anyway, hello there from the not so noisy neighborhood anymore. I don't know why. Welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. We've been gone a while. I think I probably mentioned it about half a dozen times on Facebook. If you're not familiar with anything that I've said over there, we had a monster storm blow through here about a month ago. And matter of fact, according to the National Weather Service, we were hit by 90-mile-an-hour hurricane force straight line winds. Thank you. Shut up, Mustang. Some things never change. Anyway, the damage was extensive out here. A lot of these, you may notice behind me, there are no trees anymore, or big weeds or anything else growing out here. Chainsaws are a wonderful thing. This tree, one of the tallest trees in the known universe, used to be about 90 feet tall. I'm going to guess right now it's about 50 feet tall. Most of it ended up in this half of my yard, and a good part of it was in my neighbor's yard. We had damage 360 degrees around, including the roof. Guy's done a 360, he's headed right over us, huh? Why? Why is it whenever I turn on the camera, the noise begins? Today it's a helicopter. There will be a short standby as this helicopter, which is almost directly overhead, passes. Hurry up, hurry up. This guy's so close, I can probably feel the downdraft. Yeah, I can feel the downdraft from his blades. Thanks for the breeze. Hope the patient survives. Anyway, now that that's over, to kind of get back into the swing of things, we're going to do a couple of tomahawk steaks out here on the grill. They're ribeyes, bone in, hence the tomahawk. These are not Wagyu. They're close. I mean, if you look at them, you think, man, those are Wagyu steaks. They're not. They're just very well marbled. Like I said, we're going to do this picanha style. I think it's going to be good. There's a lot of marbling in both of these steaks. When the flame kisses that fat, fat starts to drip down onto those hot coals, a lot of magic happens. Everything begins with an initial single flame and then followed by another single flame. Shut up, motorcycle. This other one. that fat cap. Seared, baby, seared. Ah, yeah. That's what you're looking for. I'm looking for. Hard sear. Yes. That nugget right there, fat. Pure flavor. Well, I think I've played with my food long enough. Oops. One more flip. Hold it. Just because I can. Oh yeah. That is the sear they talk about over the campfire. Or around the campfire. Alright. Gonna get these bad rabbits in. They're gonna rest for a little while. And then we're gonna eat. What do you think we're gonna do? Just sit and admire them? No. We will for a while. Check it out. Let's see it. And there you go. Before I go to the table and pig out on this, how does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy? Let's find out. I know I say this every time, but this rocks! Anyway, it's good to be back. See you next time.